It's beginning to look a lot like the holidays in Rockefeller Center.
Yesterday there was no tree, today the tree is here.
With a little help from NYPD officers, this mighty 79-foot tall spruce makes a 145-mile trek from Maryland to Manhattan.
It's cool to see the start of it and, kind of feel the experience of the city.
Misty ROLLINS traveled from Utah to ring in the season of magic and lights, bracing for the holidays in the city that never sleeps.
The lights, the energy, the action.
And a place that's still recovering from the coronavirus pandemic.
We still feel very, concerned and just being very cautious.
For the first time in 2 months, COVID cases are on the rise in several parts of the country. Across the 5 boroughs, the overall hospitalizations and deaths are on the decline, but health officials say don't let your guard down.
As we gather for the holidays, as we gather in the winter season, as it approaches, that we're careful in terms of the people we're gathering with.
Dr. MORLEDGE is an internist with Lenox Hill Hospital. He says as more people gather inside, the risk of contracting COVID is higher unless people, including children, are vaccinated. Dr. MORLEDGE says the vaccine is the best way to get ahead of COVID and the Delta variant.
Hospitalizations, for the most part, the deaths are occurring currently in unvaccinated people, for the most part. Those are going to be the people that are going to harbor the highest degree of virus and potentially be much more infectious than other people.
ROLLINS feels safest in New York, where pandemic regulations are taken very seriously.
I felt so safe here. Like the mask requirements when you're indoors or in small spaces is amazing.
Health experts also highly suggest getting that flu vaccine. This way, it will significantly reduce any major complications from what's being described as a twindemic. That's a combination of the flu and the COVID-19 virus.